Question that I get asked quite often by business owners is, how long does SEO actually take to pay off and start working? And the blanketed answer that I and my team like to give is usually between 6 to 12 months. And I know that's a very large range, but that is what SEO is. There's no predictable crystal ball that we can look into, knowing that this is exactly when it's going to take off and when you're going to start seeing massive results that you can directly impact and associate with search engine optimization. Now, some key factors that are going to go into this include the age of your domain, and also if you've been doing SEO for a while, whether you were doing it in-house or yourself, or you hired another marketing agency. So if you come over to us with a brand new domain, brand new business, and no SEO being done on that website, it's going to be completely different than if you've been around for 15 or 20 years and you've had multiple SEO companies, or you've done it on your own for a while. Those are two completely different situations and scenarios that are going to have different results. The second main thing that we take a look at is the industry itself. So we work with a lot of contractors, from roofers, HVAC companies, plumbers, tree service, landscaping, etc. Those are some pretty competitive industries. And we also work with professional services like lawyers, dentists, chiropractors, and accountants. So depending upon the industry, and then number 3, your location. So if you're here in St. Louis, or if you're in Los Angeles, Miami, one of those bigger markets, or if you're in a super small town like Columbia, Missouri, for example, those are going to be drastically different in terms of the competition because there's less competitors in those markets compared to a market like a Los Angeles or a Miami where there's a ton of competitors. So all of those things are going to go into the amount of time it actually takes in order for you to see a return on investment or drastic impact when it comes to search engine optimization. Now, search engine optimization in and of itself is going to be your best return on investment of any digital marketing or online marketing strategy that's out there, because you're building out your digital real estate. And the reason why we say it's 6 to 12 months is because that's typically what we have seen over the course of working with over 700 businesses when it comes to taking things off. So if you hear companies that are promising guarantees of what exactly is going to happen with SEO, whether it's page rankings, return on investment, all those things, those are all red flags. Nobody has a crystal ball to be able to tell you that. If you're hearing between 60 and 90 days in terms of everything taking off, it's not to say that it's not going to happen. It's just going to say that that would probably be an anomaly or not the expectation that the marketing company should be setting. So we like to give 6 to 12 months. If we have all of those other details and information, we'll give a little bit more of a dialed in expectation. But the blanketed answer that we say, and that a lot of the marketing companies that are out there will continue to say, that are doing a good job, is that 6 to 12 months. Now, this is 6 to 12 months of doing the right stuff and consistently working on it. So make sure that your marketing agency is giving you a work log. We provide all of our clients with a work log so that way they can see everything that we are doing for them each and every single month. They also have full control of everything that we do for them, and they own all of that stuff. They have a leads dashboard to track every single phone call, contact form, event on the website, and they know if it came from something like search engine optimization or any other form of marketing and advertising. It's really important that you give SEO time and don't give up soon enough. I see so many people that hop from marketing company to marketing company because they're like, Adam, I gave this, 3 to 6 months and all of those different things, and I'm on my 5th marketing company in the last couple of years, or I've been trying to do it on my own, and we're kind of touching SEO, but it doesn't work. Listen, I literally created 2 businesses that are thriving out of just search engine optimization. They were not actual businesses that were actually in business before I created those websites, with the auto glass repair company and with the landscape design company. Those are literally things that actually have turned into actual businesses because of SEO. So if you're suggesting that SEO doesn't work, that it doesn't take that amount of time, then you're just missing the boat, and you might not ever understand or be able to see the fruits of the work that goes into SEO. SEO hands down is the best return on investment that we have seen, and most marketing agencies have seen across the board. Give it 6 to 12 months, plan for that. Again, could be shorter, could even be longer depending upon the industry and the location, but that is the blanketed answer. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and we'll see you next time.